gently sustain us. Heart not seen how thy desires have been granted in what he ordained. Praise to the Lord, prosper thy word and defend thee. Surely his goodness and mercy here daily attend thee.